You're looking at my Phantom wallet with $2.8 million inside of it, all from launching meme coins. No team, no dev, just a system that works over and over again. Stay locked in, I'm about to show you the exact steps that took me from broke to 7 figures. Every time I bought a new meme coin that I thought would pump, I got dumped on. The chart would look good, the volume was rising, and then boom, rugged completely to zero. It drained my wallet over and over again. Then I realized the people making money weren't buying coins. They were launching them instead. Because when you launch a coin, you are in full control. You set the narrative, the supply, and all the rules. By launching, you have nothing to lose, trust me. You are the first person in and the first person out whenever you want. But if you keep trading other people's hype, you will lose on every single coin unless you have a shit ton of copy traders copying your wallet. And right now, Bitcoin is at an all-time high and Solana is pumping at the moment. It's the perfect time to start launching and stop trading. And that's exactly why in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your very first meme coin on the Solana blockchain and then cash out profits and make a shit ton of money every single time, so make sure to keep watching. But obviously this video was made for educational purposes only and it does not constitute financial advice, so please don't copy me. Now Pump.Fun might seem like the default choice to launch a meme coin, but the truth is, it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of new tokens flood the site every hour, and most never even get any traction. Worst of all, you don't control any of the liquidity. If your coin actually makes money, you cannot take profits out or manage the supply. You're just another buyer in your own project. That's why I use create token.Io specifically. It launches directly on Radium your coins, gives you full control over your token and liquidity, and your coin gets migrated instantly. No waiting, no queue. It goes live immediately, tradable right away. More visibility, more buyers for your coin, and more fucking profits. If you are serious about launching a coin that actually moves, this is where you do it. You've got two powerful options to launch a coin on createtokens.io, and both are simple and can take less than a minute. Option 1, build your own coin. So go on Twitter and pick a viral moment. Maybe it's something political, a trending meme, or a random post blowing up online. For example, Elon Musk, his tweets usually makes good coins. Then give it a name, a symbol, and upload your image for the meme coin logo. Once that's locked in, click next and your token is ready to be minted. Option 2 is my personal favorite and the most profitable. The Copy Trending Coins tab. This pulls in hot coins from Pump.Fun that already have momentum and volume. No need to tweak anything, you just click the copy and your coin gets launched. Since you are replicating coins that already have traffic and hype baked in, your launch gets instant buyers and way more profit potential from the start. Especially since it goes live directly onto Radium, which will be visible to millions of trenchers. Both methods work, but if you are aiming for speed and traction, that second one's a cheat code. But anyways, let's stop wasting time and fucking explaining and let's actually launch a coin and make some money. I'm gonna show you step by step right now in real time. So connect your wallet first of all, then refresh this to have all the new coins. And which coin should we copy? I'm gonna copy the King of the Hill, which is the Baby Gorba. It has the last buy 4 seconds ago and a $40,000 market cap. So I'm going to create coin, ignore the warning and go through it. So proceed, confirm, checkmark the box, confirm, then give it a couple seconds, just be patient, boom. And if I go on SoulScan, you guys will see that it's now minted on the blockchain and it's all live and ready to go. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super easy. We're basically setting up liquidity so people can buy your coin and trade it through Radium. Okay, now here keep that selected as your coin. That should be selected also. And for the amount token A, just click the 90% button. That'll put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool for you. And For the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own coin. Now, you are not losing anything, you are the first buyer. Just make sure you've got at least 0.3 SOL in your wallet, that's the minimum, and you'll get it back later when you remove the liquidity. I'm going to put 0.4 SOL, which is right above the minimum, then create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet, and then confirm the transaction. Then, when that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the baby gore coin is now live and our profits are at $0. Don't worry though, if you click on refresh once again, now you guys can see that our profits went up to $149, which means people are actively buying and selling our coin. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen and just give it a bit of time because it has to load. Yeah, these are delayed buys. Boom and boom. Now the coin is live. We're at a 1.2k market cap, 1k in liquidity. Just give it some time. Come on, get buyers. Bro, oh my god, it's insane. It's pumping already. We're already getting buys, bro. This is the power of create tokens.io. Now, I'm going to do a quick time lapse. I will be right back, so enjoy for a couple seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. As you guys can see by the chart, we are almost at a $4,000 market cap. Now, we are getting more buys than sellers, which is a really good sign for a coin. And we do have $1,700 in liquidity, and I think I'm going to remove some of it. So come back to create tokens.io. And first of all, we're going to refresh to check our profits. Oh my god, we're up $1,400, which is like 9 SOL, with a $4,000 market cap. Now I think I'm gonna cash out profits, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, come on. And then as you guys can see here, we're gonna receive around 9 SOL, it does fluctuate, then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and make a lot of fucking money, all raw, all live on camera. If I open my Phantom wallet real quick, boom, all the money is there. By the way, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, subscribe, join my free Telegram group down below, and now bye.